It is 6 a.m. We're tired, but we have a long, good day ahead of us. We're just waiting for a Didi. Got to get in the Didi for about 40 minutes, and then we're going to get to a national park, which is going to be awesome. So wait until you see where we're going. Yeah, we're up early for a reason. And we won't get a sunrise while we're there, because that'll come up on our journey. But when we actually get to this place, you'll see why we're up so early and why we're trying to beat the crowds. Our whole journey here was in fog and cloud. Now the sun is coming out, it's blue sky, and we're gonna go in there, get on another shuttle. When we get to the top, I'll show you where we are. Another bus to get to an elevator of some sort, but where to? Off that shuttle, now we've got to go up this thing, right to the top. It's not a bungee jump, but I will show you in just a few minutes. Almost ready for the big reveal. Here we go. Beautiful. We got here at the perfect time as well, didn't we?
Yeah.
That's why we made sure we were early, because there's like hardly anyone here now, which is really good. We were just going exploring. Huh? The fuck you going on about? And I mentioned before that I'm quite scared of heights. This is mental. Oh god, I fucking hate it. That is mad. Fuck, here we go. Oh god, my legs are like jelly. Oh, I fucking hate it, honestly. It feels so weird. Right. What way do you want to go, left or right? Right. Let's go up here. For someone who's terrified of heights, I'm gonna go and cross this thing here, knowing full well that nature is the only thing stopping me. It's actually quite terrifying, to be honest. Now we're heading down. Scenes. She is big. Yeah, we did it quite fast. There's not actually as much to explore as you'd think, unless you get cable cars to like every place. So we did it, the best way up is Bailong, because it's quieter than the other side. It's the quickest way up and there's less people, especially if you get here really early. Then you take a shuttle, and wherever it stops, that is where you get off, because you have to get on a different shuttle. So when you get off, you can explore. That's the Avatar Mountains. Once you've done that and you walk for up to an hour, get back, get on the next bus. It takes you to the middle stop, which I think is called like, what was it? Wang, I can't remember. But that's the middle stop and you have to get off. And then if you've got another ticket, you can take cable car over, so you can see that bit and explore. Then once you've done that, you come back, you get on another bus, and then you end up at basically Tianzi Mountain, and that is another way down. And that's the way that we're taking. So we've gone through all of the park at the top, basically done the start part, the Avatar part, and then at the end to go down. And there wasn't too much more to stop off and see, to be honest, but it's still beautiful to get up and see the main part. That's why we've come here. But we might have time this afternoon to go to Tianzi Mountain, which we didn't yesterday because we arrived too late. So yeah, we might be able to do that. We're gonna have a little look around Wang Fujing, the little town at the bottom, and see what we can see there. So yeah, if there's anything good there, I'll let you know as well. And now we just stopped for a feed. Beef, potato, rice, eggs, and carbs get in our belly. And that's the end of Zhangjiajie in the Avatar Mountains. So we've got our stuff. We're on our way to get a bubble tea. and then we're getting a train today to Guilin. So if you like this, like, subscribe, all that stuff, and I'll see you next time in Guilin.